In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically generate and add alt text to Shopify product images using AI. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that helps save time, improve accessibility, and support SEO by making sure your product images have clear, useful alt text. This process is especially helpful if you have a large catalog and don't want to update every image manually. First, open your Shopify store and identify the images that need alt text. This usually means product images that currently have blank alt text, vague descriptions, or text that doesn't accurately describe what's shown. Taking a moment to review your existing images helps you decide where automation will have the biggest impact and ensures you're improving the areas that matter most. Next, set up an automation tool such as Misa. This will act as the bridge between Shopify and the AI workflow. If you haven't used an automation platform before, think of it as a way to connect different actions together so that once one step happens, the next one follows automatically. That's what makes this process efficient. After that, connect Shopify to the workflow. This allows the automation tool to access the product image data it needs, including the image source so the system can work with the correct files. Make sure the connection is properly authorized so updates can be pushed back into your store without errors. Once Shopify is connected, add a step that sends the image URL to the ChatGPT Vision API. This is the part where the AI reviews the image itself. The image URL gives the model access to the visual content so it can create a description based on what actually appears in the product photo. Then ask the AI to generate clear and SEO-friendly alt text. You'll want the output to be descriptive, concise, and relevant to the product. Good alt text should explain what the image shows in natural language while also supporting search visibility without sounding forced or overly repetitive. If you want more control, add an approval step before anything is published. This gives you a chance to review the generated alt text first, which is useful if you want to maintain a specific brand voice or double-check accuracy for important products. After approval, update the Shopify image alt text automatically. This is where the workflow saves the final alt text directly into the image settings in your store, reducing manual work and helping you scale the process more easily. Finally, check your product pages to confirm the alt text was added correctly. Review a few images to make sure the descriptions are accurate, readable, and properly applied. Once everything looks good, your automated alt text workflow is ready to support a more accessible and optimized Shopify store.